Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today to take a look at this really interesting docking station. I've been testing it with my MacBook Pro, with my Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition, which I will share with you, and with a really nice feedback. Now, some really nice feedback as well is from the sponsor of this video, which is B&H Software, a platform that we have been using for the past few months, and we can get Windows 10, Windows 11, Home Edition, Pro Edition at a budget, really easy to purchase, easy to activate, and it also has Office 2021 besides other software that I still haven't tried. So I'll leave a link down below just in case you want to check that out. Now, regarding the docking station, it has some really interesting features. First of all, there are two versions available. This is the basic model, and there's also a model with a power adapter of 96 watts. So I will leave a link down below so that you can check all the specifications and the prices and whatnot, but just have that in mind that there are two exactly the same, but with the difference of the other one having a power adapter and being a little bit more expensive. Now, in terms of connectivity, we will find a lot of connectivity, and there's one thing that I really enjoy, which is this cable, quite long, which usually manufacturers just give us a little bit of cable on docking stations, but this one really nice, and I really enjoy it. In terms of build quality, it's also really nice. It has this brushed aluminum space gray, more or less like my MacBook Pro right over here, and the build quality is nice. It has this glossy plastic right on the top, looks awesome, and I even tried to put below my laptop, which is not the best way to use it, but it was not bad at all because it has this grip on the bottom and worked really nice. We will find at the right here a USB Type-C DC in. We will have power input right over here up to a maximum of 100 watts, so we can charge beefy laptops. It also has a USB Type-C right over here, two HDMIs that will go up to 4K at 60 Hz, one USB 2.0, Ethernet gigabit, two SD cards, actually one micro SD card and the other one a full-size SD card, and then three USB 3.0 Type A right over here, and finally a headphone jack 3.5mm. So we have a lot of connectivity. I did a few tests, one of which was to connect the MacBook Pro to one of my displays at the back, 4K at 60 Hz, no issues whatsoever. We can use it to have a triple display setup, including the computer, and it's capable of supporting Windows, macOS, Android, and Linux, which is awesome. Actually, triple display setup, I think it's only available on Windows. On macOS, we can have the display of the computer and then an extra display, but the third one will be a mirror of the second. I think that is it, but more info on the link down below. Ethernet connection, I was getting the maximum of my internet connection, which is 500 megabits per second on download and 100 on upload, so no bottleneck right over there, and we can achieve more, but my connection is what it is. In terms of the SSD, I did test out with the Sabrent that will go up to 2,500 megabytes per second on reads and on writes, and on USB Type-C and also USB 3.0 we will have a limit of 5 gigabits as per advertised on the website, so I was not expecting more than this. We were getting 500 megabytes per second more or less, which is the 5 gigabits that they advertise right over here. Now, I also tested out with the Samsung Galaxy, and I used Samsung Dex, which is one of my favorite operating systems. Works really nice, and this is one of the scenarios that I really enjoy on this kind of docking station, and this one right over here being really complete. So if I have the docking station with everything that I need on a daily basis, my display, and I've got my keyboard connected, I've got my mouse connected, and so on and so forth, and if I arrive home and just connect my Samsung right over here, just put it on a thing such as this, a support or a stand to be more precise, then I will be able to use my phone as a computer on a big screen display. And this docking station right over here will be used to provide the phone everything that it needs. Ethernet connection, if I want to swap micro SD cards, if I want to swap a SSD via USB or Type-C, and of course having the image on the big screen is really awesome. So this is one of my favorite setups for this docking station right over here from NewQ that we have seen in the past, and I will share the link right over here in the YouTube cards of a file hub, which is a 3-in-1 docking station, file hub, and also a portable router. Was a really interesting device that we did test right over here, so link right over there, link for the docking station right below. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.